game, but first half, Milan, can you tell, and then now losing at the latter stage of the game. Can you tell us about the game?
Well, first and foremost, I mean, it was a difficult game. And I didn't know that the surface was clear. As you know, the footing it creates a problem. But nevertheless, I think the team have done well in terms of what we plan going forward. It's just unfortunate, one lapse in concentration resulted in our goal. We got our fair chance at the final part of the game from the defender. I mean, it should have ended 1-1. But outside of that, I will have to commend my team based on their performance.
In front of goal, in the final, sir, they're finding it quite difficult so far.
Yes.
What is it? Is it a tactical thing or just more so player quality?
Well, it's a different set of player, and at the same time, you only can continue working. There's no time you need to just relax. You have to continue working. And, some of those players from last year, they don't find their footing as yet. So you have to just continue working as you go along. Injury is something also popping up in the team, so you will have to rotate to see what you can get from the youngsters when we inject them.
Last year, Justin Dunn, the leading goal scorer, what are you getting from him this season? Is he just half form or just trying to find his footing?
He's trying to find his footing because if you notice, he has a weight problem. Last year, he was in good nick. This year, I spoke to him one-on-one. He realized, I check his BMI, body mass index, and I understand, what he needs to work on to take it off. So that is something that we are working on.
The start in this season, what are your objectives now?
No, remember, it's 39 games. It's a long season. And all teams will suffer injuries as they go along. But you just want to ensure that the team playing at the level that you want them to be doing. And the main objective, if we reach the last six last season, top six last season, it means that is the objective, and to try and go one step further.
Thank you very much, Coach. Continue to put in the good work.
All right.